What if I told you AI can instantly double your conversion rate without spending a lot on ads? Most sellers are making this critical mistake and it costs them thousands. Alright, so Amazon is using AI to optimize listings. So why aren't you? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI-powered A/B testing to optimize your listing, skyrocket your conversion and outsmart your competition, and without the guesswork. In this video, I'll also reveal a secret AI tool that Amazon gives to its sellers for free, and most of the sellers have no idea that it exists. So stay till the end. Here are two images. Now tell me, which of them will get us more clicks, image A or image B? Why images are important? Because when shoppers are browsing Amazon, the thing they first notice is the main image. You may say that version A is good or maybe version B. Now what are you doing? You are actually guessing. And this is where the most sellers make mistake. They make decisions based on guess, not on actual data. Now, how you can get such data to make this decision? If we show these images to 100 shoppers and compare the results, then we can make a decision that is based on actual data. Suppose the result shows image A is getting 7% click-through and B is getting 5%. Now we have a reason to choose the version A because the data is referring us to that. If you are changing your Amazon listing without testing, that's not gonna work. But harsh reality is most sellers guess their way through optimization. Sellers blindly take decisions on these three matters most of the time. Which main image get more clicks? Which bullet points actually convince buyers? What price point maximize the conversion without killing the profit margin? They tweak images, change descriptions or adjust pricing. End of the day, no improvement. Here is what will happen if you don't A/B test your listing. You will get low CTR, waste ad spend, and miss sales opportunities. Here is the good news. AI has completely changed the game. Now instead of guessing, you can let artificial intelligence analyze your listing and tell exactly what works. Let me introduce AI-powered A/B testing method that revolutionized Amazon sellers. Imagine if you had a tool that could instantly analyze thousands of data points and tell you which images will drive more clicks, what title format will work better, what price point maximize the revenue. Well, this isn't the future. AI-powered A/B testing is here. And sellers using it are seeing massive improvements in their sales and conversion rate. Now, how AI A/B testing works. Step 1. Choose what to test. Pick the element that you want to test, like your image, title, bullet point, price, or even A+ content. Step 2. AI predicts and run the test. The AI will analyze real shopper behavior and automatically rotate different versions of your listing to see which one is performing best. Step 3. AI gives you the winning version. After testing across real Amazon traffic, the AI tells you exactly which version makes you the most money. For example, here are two titles and we have run a A/B test. The result shows the variation A did the better performance. Here we have run A/B test for bullet points and here is a test for images. And these are the results. Then we took decisions based on these results and it actually improved our conversions. Now let me tell you how you can do A/B test for your Amazon listing. Let's say you are an Amazon seller and want to A/B test your main image. Here is how I can do it for you. Step 1. Go to Amazon's Manage Your Experiment tool. This is available for registered sellers. Step 2. Upload two different main images, one with plain white background, another with product in use. On the step 3, AI will split test the two images across live traffic and tell you which one gets more clicks. Step 4. Implement the winning image and watch your sales go up. What if you are not a brand registered seller? No worries. You can still A/B test using tools like PickFu or IntelliMice. PickFu lets you test different images, titles, and descriptions by gathering instant feedback from real Amazon shoppers. And IntelliMice, this AI tool dynamically adjusts elements of your listing in real time based shoppers' behavior, no waiting weeks for results. Now, the benefit of AI powered A/B testing. First of all, it will save your time. No more waiting weeks to see what happens. AI gives you result instantly. Then it removes the guesswork. You are not guessing what works. AI tells you based on real customer behavior. And it will also help you to boost sales and profits. Even a small 5% increase in conversion rate can mean thousands of extra dollars in your pocket. Getting clicks is one thing, but turning those clicks into sales is where the real money is. AI-powered A/B testing gets you more clicks, but what happened after a shopper lands on your page? Conversion rate optimization or CRO is the secret weapon to turning those visitors into paying customers. Now, what is CRO and why does it matter? CRO is all about removing fractions, guiding customers, and making it as easy as possible for them to click the buy now. Even a 1% increase in conversion rate can mean $1,000 of extra dollars per month. Now, the common mistakes that are killing your conversions: confusing product descriptions, poor quality images that don't show the product's benefits, bullet points that focus on features instead of real customer pain points, and lastly, no social proof like reviews, UGC, and trust badges. Now, how AI is revolutionizing CRO for Amazon sellers. Number 1. AI generated copy that sells. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Helium 10 use machine learning to craft compelling product titles, bullet points, and descriptions. For example, instead of saying portable blender, 6 blades, USB rechargeable, AI optimizes it to smoothies on to go, ultra powerful portable blender, crushes ice in seconds. Number 2. AI powered image optimization. Did you know 75% of shoppers make their shopping decision based on images alone? Tools like remove.bg and Canva AI can enhance your images, remove backgrounds, and make product shots more eye-catching. Number 3. AI enhanced pricing strategy. Tools like Repricer Express and eva.guru analyze competitors' prices in real time and adjust your price automatically to stay competitive without killing your margins. For example, your competitors just drop their price by $1 and this AI will detect it instantly and make adjustments to your pricing. And number 4 is AI-driven social proof and review optimization. AI doesn't only sell your product, but it can help you to build trust. There are tools like Feedback Whiz and JungleScarp review automation. These tools use AI to automatically request reviews from happy customers. AI-generated product listing will give you higher engagement and conversions, and AI-powered pricing will let you stay competitive without losing profits. And lastly, AI-driven reviews will build instant social proof and sell more. When you combined AI-powered A/B testing with CRO, you are not just selling, you are dominating the market. There are some common AI A/B testing and CRO mistakes to avoid. AI is powerful, but if you don't use it correctly, you are losing money and time. Here are the biggest mistakes sellers make when running AI-powered A/B testing and optimizing CRO. First of all, they're testing without enough data. Running a test for few days, that's not enough. Manage your experiment recommends at least 4 to 8 weeks to get best results. If you don't get at least 1000 sessions per variation, your data is incomplete. And they try to change too many elements at once. If you change your title and image and price in one test, how do you know which one made the difference? Another thing is ignoring conversion rate optimization while focusing only on clicks. Yes, high CTR is great, but what happens after the clicks? If your conversion rate is low, you are just wasting money. The solution is optimize your product page with better image, titles, and bullet points. That's where CRO comes. Another mistake can be not repeating your tests regularly. Consumer behavior changes over time. What works now may not work in 6 months. Set up a testing calendar and run A/B test every quarter to stay ahead. Alright, your next step should be implementing those strategies now. First of all, choose an AI-powered A/B testing tool and start testing your main image today. Then optimize your product listings using AI-driven copywriting and pricing tools like Helium 10 or Repricer Express. Then track your conversion rate and continuously refine your image, pricing, and social proof to maximize sales. Don't be left behind. AI is the future of e-commerce. The brands that adapt now will outperform and outsell their competition. Are you using AI for your Amazon business? Let me know in the comment. Also, don't forget to tell what results have you seen so far. To contact us, send an email to info@ecomclips.com. Subscribe so you don't miss out the future of Amazon growth hacks and AI-powered insights. Turn your notifications so you're always ahead of the competition. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.